I add a noise texture and connect it to the principal BSDF. I add a color ramp between the noise texture and the principal BSDF. I select the black color stop and change the color to a dark green. I then select the white color stop and change the white color to a light green. I increase the scale, detail, and distortion of the noise texture. To give the material a glass-like look, I add a glass BSDF node. I add a mix shader to mix the glass BSDF and the principal BSDF. If I move the factor of the mix shader to the right, the glass shader has more effect. If I move the factor of the mix shader to the left, the principal shader has more effect. I can change the color of the glass to a teal. I can also change the IOR, or index of refraction, which defines how the rays pass through the object. I'll use an IOR of 1.640, which is the IOR of Jade in the real world. I add a bump node and connect it to the normal of the principal BSDF. I connect the color ramp to the height of the bump node and lower the strength. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video about making a jade material in Blender, you may enjoy this video. Have a good day.